Good afternoon, everyone. This is Trey from Midwest Day Trips. Today we are in Alamo, Tennessee at Tennessee Safari Park. Of course, Tennessee is technically not a part of the Midwest. We're close enough for a day trip, so we wanted to feature this place. One of my favorite things about this place so far is the fact that they have 2 lanes. Usually when you come here, people like us want to linger and get shots, but people behind us get impatient. So it's nice that they can just go around slowpokes like us at places like this.
Nice and gentle. Would you like some? Can I pet you? Would you like some food?
All right, we just did the driving tour. It took us over an hour and a half. Now we're gonna get out on foot and check out what else this place has to offer. And you can see this in the background of a lot of the shots already, but they also do drive-in movies here. That's pretty cool. So it was interesting. The drive-through part of this place was cash only. The gift shop is credit card only. Yeah.
Very pretty.
That boy is showing his stuff right now. By the way, I did want to mention this is a family-owned business. They do not take donations. They seem to be doing fairly well for themselves, and they engage in all sorts of conservation activity.
So here, let's see if we can.
That was so funny. As soon as I got the second shot, the selfie shot, that bluebird flew in and scared the yellow and green one away. Just barely got it on camera too.
Say cheese. Okay, good job.
All right, so the walking tour was a little bit shorter than the driving tour. Still really cool though. Now let's check out the gift shop. All right, so we are all done. What a great place to spend an afternoon. Really cool. Notice we came on a Monday morning. This place gets significantly busier on the weekend, so plan your trip accordingly. At any rate, that's going to do it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check back all the time for new content. Take care, everyone.